There are countless species of plants spread around the world. Generally, they are symbols of beauty and delicacy. Some people even have specimens at home, mainly to give a color to the environments. However, there is a bizarre side to plants that most people don't even know exists, as many species are still little known. In today's video, you will get to know the 6 strangest plants in the world. Before starting the video, I want to invite you, who are new here, to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to receive all the curiosities. Hydnora? Hydnora is a parasitic plant that grows in arid regions of southern Africa. It has no leaves and depends on other plants, such as euphorbia and pelargonium, to survive. Hydnora is known for its unusual appearance, with an underground, carnivorous flower that resembles a ball with teeth. The plant is able to attract insects into its flower, where they are digested to provide nutrients for Hydnora. Furthermore, the plant has been studied for its medicinal properties and is considered a natural treatment for a variety of health conditions, including stomach and respiratory problems. Rose of Jericho. The Rose of Jericho is a plant that grows in desert regions of the Middle East. She is known for her ability to resurrect after becoming completely dry. When water is added, the plant rehydrates and opens up, revealing a beautiful greenish pink. The Rose of Jericho is often used as a symbol of renewal and resilience, and is considered a lucky charm in some cultures. The plant also has medicinal properties and is used to treat a variety of conditions including headaches, fevers and breathing problems. Cadaver flower. Corpse flower, also known as Amorphophallus titanum, is a plant native to the island of Sumatra, Indonesia. It is known for producing the largest inflorescence in the world, which can reach over 3 meters in height. The flower releases a putrid odor when it blooms, similar to the smell of decaying meat, to attract pollinating insects. Despite the unpleasant smell, the corpse flower is a species much appreciated by plant collectors and gardeners around the world due to its unusual beauty and impressive size. If you are enjoying this content, don't forget to like it and leave a comment below sharing your opinion. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, take the opportunity to subscribe right now and not miss any of our next videos. With your help, we can continue to produce quality and interesting content for you. Nepenthes holdeni. Nepenthes holdeni is a carnivorous plant native to Australia. She is known for her leaves that turn into traps to catch insects. The plant grows in nutrient-poor soils, so it evolved to feed on prey. The leaves of Nepenthes holdeni have a peculiar shape in the shape of an urn, and have a digestive liquid inside to digest captured insects. Additionally, the plant is considered a threatened species due to habitat loss and overcollection by collectors. Rafflesia. Rafflesia is a parasitic plant native to Southeast Asia, known for producing the largest flower in the world. The flower can reach more than 1 meter in diameter and emits a strong odor similar to that of decaying meat, to attract flies for pollination. The plant has no true leaves, stems or roots and is completely dependent on a host vine for survival. Rafflesia is considered a threatened species due to habitat loss and overharvesting. Lithops. Lithops, also known as living stone or stone flower, is a succulent plant originating in southern Africa. It is known for its pebble-like leaves, providing effective camouflage to avoid predators. The plant is able to store water in its leaves to survive in arid soils and extreme climates. Lithops flowers are small and colorful, appearing in the center of the plant during spring and summer. Lithops is a plant much appreciated by succulent collectors due to its unusual beauty and low maintenance. And so we conclude our video about the 6 strangest plants in the world. I hope you enjoyed getting to know these curious and surprising species. Now we want to invite you to join our channel's community. Leave a comment below telling us what your favorite plant was and if you already knew any of them. Also, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive more trivia like this. Until the next video.